SQL interview question and answer. Question number 35. How do you implement if-then-else logic in SQL which works for all relational operators? This question is asking about how do you implement or apply if-then-else logic, that means conditional logic in SQL that should work for all relational operators. Case when statement is used to implement if-then-else logic or conditional logic which can work for all relational operators. To explain this question, we have given here one view. Its name is case test view. Let me check data first. I am selecting first name, last name, salary from case test view, and I am sorting data by salary descending order. After running this code, it will display result as shown below. It has 9 records and 3 columns. We are trying to get one extra column which shows salary category. That is our aim. That means we have to apply following logic. If salary greater or equal to 10,000, then salary category A. If salary less or equal to 7,000, then salary category C. All other salary category B. When we use case when statement, it perfectly works in this logic. How does it work? Let me use case when statement. I am selecting here, select first name, last name, salary, then case when salary greater or equal to 10,000, then category A. When salary less or equal to 7,000, then category C, else category B, and as salary category column name. From case test view, sorting data by salary descending order. When we run this code, then it will display result as shown below. Result contains 9 records and 4 columns. Last column indicates salary category, where it has 3 rows are category A, 2 rows category B, and 4 rows category C. In this way, we can apply conditional logic, that means if then else logic, in SQL by using case when statement. Let me run this code in our Oracle developer window and observe the result. This is Oracle developer window where I am going to run those code which I explained before. First of all, I am going to check data from case test view, selecting first name, last name, salary from case test view, sorting data by salary descending order. Let me run this code. This is our result window, which contains 9 records and 3 columns. Where salary column indicates here, salary are in descending order. Now I am going to apply conditional logic or if then else logic by using case and when statement. That's why selecting first name, last name, salary. After then case when salary greater or equal to 10,000, then category A. When salary less equal to 7,000, then category C. All other category B. And as column name salary category. From case test view, sorting data by salary descending order. Let me run this code. This is our result. Result contains 4 columns and 9 records. Last column shows here salary category A, B, and C. In this way, we can apply case and when statement for the conditional logic or if then else logic in SQL. That's all about question number 35. Thank you.